I want to talk to you about something very serious today. People are getting sick, people are dying. Why? Because of bad advice. You love your family, you love yourself, then you have to watch this video. Let me ask you something. My foot really hurts. Should I go talk to my barber? I crashed my car the other day. Should I take it to the heart surgeon to get it fixed? No? Then why would you go to see a chiropractor or an herbalist if you want to fix your blood pressure, your cholesterol problems, your diabetes, or even want advice on weight loss? An herbalist has no medical education. Did you know they can practice with less than a year of training? Some don't even have that. A chiropractor is not an expert when it comes to your blood sugars, your blood pressure, your cholesterol problems, or other medical problems. You want your back adjusted? Yes, they could be the expert. Doctors, nurses, physician assistants, nurse practitioners, these folks have spent years studying the human body, and they're constantly keep educating themselves to keep up with the changes in medicine. Are doctors perfect? No. Can the doctors make mistakes? Yes, but they have been highly trained in the human body. Why would you think that someone else without any medical education can treat you better? Why am I talking about this today? Because people are dying. People are dying from natural cures and herbal remedies. This 13-year-old kid died because the herbalist with no medical education was treating his type 1 diabetes. Yes, type 1 diabetes with oils. All this kid needed was insulin because his pancreas did not make any. His parents were told insulin is a poison. If this kid was treated by a medical doctor and was given insulin, this kid would still be alive today. It breaks my heart that this child had to die because of the nonsense that was being preached. This poor kid died, and all this doctor gets is 4 months in prison. His videos are still playing on YouTube. His clinic is still open. Why? So that more people can be hurt? The claims he made of insulin being a poison are false claims. Talking of false claims, a lot of claims are being made about superfoods, and since it's all natural, it has no side effect. With superfood comes kryptonite. Everything has side effects. The question is, have they been studied? Are they being reported? Let me give you an example. Bananas, raisins, all natural, right? They can't do any harm. Well, my father-in-law actually ate enough bananas and raisins to throw his heart into a dangerous rhythm. Fixing his diet fixed the problem. I'm not saying stop eating bananas. A banana a day is not going to hurt you. Just don't eat them by the dozen. Don't get me wrong. I'm not saying that herbal remedies have no role. Yes, they do. But their role is being blown out of proportion. Like a lot of cures and remedies are being offered on Facebook. Does it mean they work? Let's take an example. Doctors are shocked. This amazing drink can cure diabetes in just 5 days. Really? Why are they not teaching this to medical school students? Why no world expert on diabetes has ever heard of it? Let's look at the recipe. 2 stalks of celery, 1 green apple, 3 handfuls of spinach and 2 carrots. Well, you do the math. It's 33 grams of sugar. This will not cure your diabetes, and your doctors will not be shocked. The only person in a shock will be you. Why? Because your sugars are going to be too high. Please stop following this nonsense. Giving bad advice was not bad enough. Did you know that some companies out there are buying fake Amazon reviews to promote their products? They claim it will make you skinny overnight. No, it will not. This company, for example, just got busted by the Federal Trade Commission. They were buying false Amazon reviews and putting false claims that Yersinia Cambodia will literally block fat from forming. No, it will not. Just look at some of these fake reviews. This one, for example. I started using this product 2 months ago and I have lost 15 pounds already. I didn't even feel dizzy or anything, as the 1-star reviewer said. These 1-star reviews were probably from real customers. This one, for example. Made in USA, safety ensured, 110 to 100 pounds in 40 days. This is beyond 5-star. Beyond 5-star? Wow, this is better than weight loss surgery. This is insanity. If there is some remedy out there that you're looking at and the reviews look similar, send me a message. I will look into it for you. I do not want you to get hurt. I will review it and give you my honest feedback, not based on what I think, but based on what science has to say. I have a patient who thought Yersinia Cambodia would fix her blood sugars. After suffering a heart attack, she finally understood that she had to make significant life changes and she had to take her medications to control her diabetes. I do not want you to be the next person to learn it the hard way. As you know, I have already talked about the false claims being made about apple cider vinegar. If you haven't watched them, the videos are still on my YouTube channel. Talking about YouTube and the internet, did you know that most of the videos on YouTube and most websites have disclaimers? I want you to read these disclaimers. Most of them say something like, "This is my personal opinion. Talk to your medical doctor before making any changes." Well, guess what? I am the medical doctor, so come talk to me. Go talk to your primary care doctor. Some even say the testimonials are extraordinary and ordinary customers should not expect to achieve similar results. In that case, why are you not putting that on the main page? Why hide it as a small print somewhere at the bottom? You, my friend, as a customer of these products and supplements, you need to be aware of this. Just like if your car breaks down and you go to a mechanic, or if you have a toothache and you go see a dentist, if you are having a medical problem, go talk to your medical doctor. I have spent a lot of time studying medicine, and I keep training and educating myself to keep up with the changes in medicine. Be careful when someone claims they can cure things. I want you to look at their educational background and their training. I want you to find out, are they really trained in that field that they're giving the advice on? And if you do come across a wonderful remedy that cures everything, share it with me. Post it on my wall. Send me a message. If there is such a wonderful thing, don't you think more people need to benefit from it? Don't you think doctors need to know about it? Don't you think everybody should be using it? And if it does not work, then why would you put your life at danger, at risk, to try it? I want you and your family to be safe. And I do not want you or anybody in your family to get hurt or even die because of some lie that an untrained professional is telling you. Stay healthy, love your family, love your kids. That's all for today from Weight Loss with Dr. Nat.